Jai Hind to all of you, and also welcome to our YouTube channel All Purpose Tutorials. So in this video I am going to tell you the mindset which will help you to become an officer in the Indian Army, not only in the Indian Army but also in the Indian Navy and in the Air Force too. So if you are not having a mindset that motivates you, uh, that lets you finish all your tasks in time or within your time limit or before the time limit, then you will not be able to make it through the SSB interview, because your mindset matters a lot. uh, it means that 50 to 80% your mindset matters, because the uh, the way you will make your mindset, the same way you will do everything, every test, every task given to you in the SSB interview or anywhere else, out of the SSB interview, out of that SSB interview center. So what I want to say, that mindset matters a lot. And if you have not made a mindset that you can go through anything, you can bear any kind of pressure, you can survive in any kind of condition, no matter what the situation is, until then you would not be able to become an officer in the Indian Army. Because officers in the Indian Army, their training is so much tough, and without a mindset you would not be able to complete that training of 1.5 years if you are going through the CDS, or the training of 4 years if you are going through the NDA exam. So mindset matters a lot. For example, if you have to run a cross country of 40 kilometer, so it is 80% your mental strength, that is your mind, that is your mindset, and it is only 20% your physical strength, that you have to run there. And like you, if you get tired in only 20 kilometers, and if you have made your mind that you will complete all the 40 kilometers, you will not stop before completing those 40 kilometers, then you are definitely going to complete the 40 kilometers. So this is just an example of how your mindset should be if you want to become an officer in the Indian Armed Forces. So let's start then. Now here are some qualities that will, or some points that you have to build in yourself, the qualities you have to build in yourself, so that you can get that mindset, or you will come to know that how to make a mindset like uh, like the officers in the Indian Army. So the first is self defense, sorry, self discipline. So actually self discipline includes a lot of things. So the most important thing in self discipline is you should be organized, because self disciplined itself means that you should be disciplined by yourself. And if nobody is ordering you to do something, if nobody is making you disciplined, after, even after that also you should be disciplined. And when discipline comes from within, that we call self discipline. And if you are not having self discipline, then you should be self disciplined, because it is a quality that will get you so much ahead in your life. So what I was talking about, that self discipline includes so much things. So the first thing is uh, being organized. See, being organized means, uh, if we talk about the day, the whole day, if you have made your schedule, if you have sorted all your activities, that after what you will do, so your all the schedule will be disciplined. Or otherwise, if you have not made a schedule, then all your day will be so much unorganized, and you would not be able to do any work properly. So self discipline is very important. Self discipline also includes the things that you make in your mind, that for example, if I thought in my mind that I have to wake up at 5 a.m. from tomorrow and I have to go for running from tomorrow. So if you are not able to do the things that you have promised to yourself, then there is so much of then you lack so much of self discipline in yourself. Because if you are not able to complete the things that you have promised to yourself, if you are not able to do the justice with the things that you have promised to yourself, then you are having you lack so much of self discipline, and you should build self discipline in yourself, because it takes so much of time to get self disciplined. So it would be better if you will start from today and now only. Now, completing task for the given day. See, when we talk about completing the task for the given day, if we take an example of uh, when we prepare for the SSB interview, so we make targets that if we are doing PPDTs, so we will select 80 to 100 images for the whole day, and we will make a target, or you will make a target, that you have to complete the PPDT on these images in the whole day, in a single day. And if you are not able to complete that thing, then it is a problem for you. Because in the army, sometimes you only are given a individual task that you have to complete within the time limit, or within the time that is given to you. And if you are not able to complete it, then it can become a very big problem for you. Like, if I am running and I have to run 7 kilometers, and after 5 kilometers I got exhausted, so I just have to remember that I have to complete this task before, uh, because if you are not able to complete the task that you have assigned for yourself, so then you are not going to get ahead, because you are not able to complete only one task. Like if we take example of video games, you cannot go to the other level until and unless you pass or you clear the previous level. So that is the concept here. If you want to get ahead in your life, so you have to complete the daily tasks first. So do it, and it is very necessary for to become an officer in the Indian Army or in the Indian Armed Forces. Now, know your weaknesses, because uh, if you will not know your weaknesses, then you will not be able to correct yourself in anything that went wrong. If you will not come to know your weaknesses, then you will not able to make them your strong points, or make your weaknesses your strengths. Because sometimes what happens, if you are in a competition, and the other rivals or the other competitors come to know your or came to sorry the other competitors came to know your weaknesses, then they can take advantage of it, and then you would not be able to do something, because you do not know what are your weaknesses. Or if you know also, then even after you knew that what are your weaknesses, you didn't work on your weaknesses. So it can become the reason for you getting eliminated from any event or from the SSB interview too. Because if you are going to SSB, then you should be having as as least weaknesses as you are having, because the other cadets they have practiced a lot for this SSB interview. Or if you are going to a race and if you are having weaknesses in your running techniques, in your breathing technique, then it is a problem there. And if you will not solve it, if you will not solve your breathing technique, if you will not solve your running technique, then how you would be able to win win only a single race? So it is always very important to know your weaknesses, not only when you are preparing for the SSB interview, but if you are preparing for something big also. So and one more thing, try to prepare for big goals always, because you should be you should feel proud when you get where you want it to be. So always go for the big goals. It takes time, it takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of sacrifice to many things, but when you will reach there, you will always remember the journey that you have gone through. So make your journey memorable. Now push harder daily. It means that push harder today than yesterday, because it simply means that you have to get out of your comfort zone, because great things never come from comfort zone. You have to get out of your comfort zone to achieve anything great. And in order to achieve anything great, the first point is you have to be consistent. You should be pushing harder daily. And the third point is, when you will push harder, you will find out that that you are improving by pushing harder, by being consistent. So it will motivate you. Your results always motivates you. So don't, and also at the same time, don't hurry for the results, because you are preparing for something very big. You are pushing harder daily. Just know one thing, that one day you are going to get there, but you have to be consistent, because results don't come out in 1 or 2 days. It takes months, sometime it takes year for the result that you want to get. So just push harder daily than yesterday. Now thanks for watching this video, and if you think that we can put more efforts in our video, or we can add something more to our video, to our further videos, to our upcoming videos, then please do tell us in the comments. And if you like this video, then please comment on our video, like it and share it as much as possible. And again, thanks for watching this video.